Hello everyone. So today in this online chapter we are going to discuss about the continents. So can anyone tell me that how many continents are there? Okay, so I will tell you that there are total 7 continents on our earth, and the name of the continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. So, today we will learn about many different facts about these different continents and what are the special features of these continents. We will also learn about that, and in which continent India lies. We'll also discuss about this. As you can see the Indian location map, so you can clearly look at the pictures and see that India is in Asia. Okay, so Asia is the largest continent. This size is very large, and it covers about one third of the total land area of the earth, and the continent lies in the eastern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Okay, you can look at these pictures, the different locations of the different continents. That North America lies in northern hemisphere, Europe in northern hemisphere, Asia in northern hemisphere, and eastern hemisphere. You can look at the eastern hemisphere. Asia lies in eastern and northern hemisphere, and the different location of different continents. We have discussed about the location of India and finding out the different locations of different continents in our previous classes. Now, you can look at the map, world map, and now the Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains on the west. Okay, you can look at the picture clearly, the pink shaded color, you can see it that they are Ural Mountains, and the Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains. There are large mountains in between them. So that's why the land is called Eurasia. It is the combination of Europe and Asia. You can look at this picture very clearly. These are the Ural Mountains, beautiful Ural Mountains. So our next continent is Europe. Okay. So what are the specialty about Europe? That Europe is smaller than Asia. Okay. The continent lies to the west of Asia. Definitely it lies in the west of Asia. You can look at the map easily. And the Arctic Circle passes through it, and it is bounded by water bodies on three sides. It is definitely bounded by water bodies on three sides like India. So that this is also called a peninsula. The next one is continent is Africa. So Africa is the largest continent after Asia. The size of this continent is smaller than Asia and bigger than rest of all continents. And the equator runs through almost equal middle part of this continent, and a large part of Africa lies in northern hemisphere. We already discussed about the northern and southern hemisphere in our previous classes. You can look at this location of Africa. Equator divides almost two equal parts the Africa, and it is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, and equator passes. You can clearly look at the picture and the map and see that Tropic of Cancer, equator, and Capricorn passes through Africa. And the Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, is located in also Africa. There are so many features in the Africa. Now, and the third one, the world's largest and longest river, the Nile rivers, flow through Africa. You can see the picture of beautiful Nile river, and in the map you can also locate the Nile river. It is also passes through Africa. Now the next continent is North America. The North America is the third largest continent of the world. The number one was Asia, second was Africa, and the third one is North America. It is linked to the South America by a narrow strip of land called Isthmus of Panama. Okay, you can see the picture in our next slide. Yes, the Isthmus of Panama connects North America and South America. You can see it, Panama, clearly in the picture, and it is connecting North America and South America. And now South America. South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere, and the Andes, world's longest mountain range, runs through its length from north to south. And Andes mountain range, as we know, that it is the world's longest mountain range, and it runs through the north to south in South America. Okay, and the next continent is lovely Australia. It is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. In our previous slide, we have seen the location of these different continents, and Australia lies in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded by all sides by the ocean and sea, so it is called an island continent. Because it is completely surrounded by water, that's why we call it island continent. Okay, and the last one is Antarctica. Completely lies in southern hemisphere, and it is a huge continent, and the south pole lies almost at the center of the continent. And as it located in southern polar region, it is permanently covered with thick ice sheets. You can look at the penguins here, and completely it is covered with ice. So it is also called white continent. Okay, so in this slide we have discussed about brief introduction of these continents. In the further classes we will discuss more about them in details. It was just a brief introduction of these continents and the location of these continents. Okay, thank you.